Welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. The West Indies have finally broken their 3-decade wait for a bilateral one-day international series win over Pakistan after a massive 202-run victory on Tuesday in Trinidad. Here's Ronaldo Brown.
The last time the West Indies defeated Pakistan in a one-day international series, Richie Richardson was captain, and a fresh-faced Brian Lara had only scored 34 of his 10,405 runs in ODIs. How fitting that the first series win in more than 33 years came at the Brian Lara Cricket Academy in Trinidad. The game could have been so different, as the early loss of Jamaican Brandon King for 5 meant the Caribbean side was off to another poor start. Evan Lewis and Casey Carty steadied things briefly with a 47-run third-wicket stand. But just as Lewis started freeing his arms, he fell for 37. Carty soon followed for 17, leaving the Windies 68 for 3. But Captain Shai Hope would play an unforgettable innings. He first shared in a 45-run fourth-wicket partnership with Sherfin Rutherford, who made 15, and brought up his half-century in a 64-run stand with Roston Chase, who scored a better than a runner ball 36. The decision to push Gudakesh Moti up the order was a strange one, as he could only contribute 5, leaving the Windies 184 for 6 after 41.5 overs. However, the next 9 overs were nothing but carnage, as Hope and Justin Graves piled on the runs in an unbroken 110-run 7th-wicket stand. The pair put the Pakistan bowlers to the sword, with 52 runs coming from the last 3 overs. In the process, Hope brought up ODI century number 18, which puts him 3rd on the West Indies all-time list, 1 behind the great Brian Lara and 7 behind Jamaican legend Chris Gayle. Hope was left unbeaten on 120 from 94 deliveries, while Graves made 43 from 24 to take the Windies to 294 for 6. With the momentum with the Windies, the bowlers carried on the relentless assault on the visitors, led by local hero Jaden Seals. In the blink of an eye, Seals had removed Pakistan's top 4 batters, leaving them reeling at 23 for 4. Salman Agha, who top scored with 30 and Hassan Nawaz 13, tried to recover the innings with a 38-run partnership, but Moti removed both in successive overs. Ross and Chase then got in on the wickets, bowling Hussein Talat for 1 before Jaden returned to seal the win with the wickets of Naseem Shah and Hassan Ali. The final wicket went via the run-out route as Pakistan were routed for just 92. Play of the series, Seals ended with career-best figures of 6 for 18, while Moti had 2 for 37. This is the first series win for the Windies against Pakistan at home since 1988.
Meanwhile, Daren Sammy has defended his tenure as head coach of the West Indies team, saying Tuesday's historic win over Pakistan shows that the team needs more time.
For me, understanding the purpose, understanding why I'm here, why my team is here, and we put our heads down and we come to every day and try and put an honest work. I've never been one to actually listen to noise. You know, this has been me throughout my career. When I was playing, when I was captain, and now that I'm coach, everything I've done early has built me and prepared me for what's going on now.
In the meantime, Sammy says he had no misconception that his appointment would have been enough to turn the West Indies' fortunes around immediately.
I have to be confident in the plans that we put in place. You know, I also have to be realistic. The reality of West Indies cricket is we were number 10 in the world in ODI cricket. We've been number 8 in Test cricket for donkey-odd years. You know, if anybody expected a new coach, anybody, doesn't have to be me, anybody comes in and will work miracles, Jesus will be coming tomorrow.
Captain Shai Hope says it's a good feeling to be on the right side of history.
It's a very proud feeling. It's me personally, something that we always speak about in the dressing room is trying to create history. We're a very strong team, but we just need to continue being more consistent, and it's something that we've been doing at home for quite some time now. I think with the last 2 years or so, we've been defending home court really nicely. So, yes, very proud feeling. I'm sure all the guys are very happy with the work that they've been putting in for the last couple of series. So it's great to get a win here, and as we all know, it's about what, 30-something years, you said?
Alrighty, let's take another break on Primetime Sports Tuesday. We'll be back with more in the next segment.